how to get a wholesale license in California. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a wholesale license in California. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, decide on a business entity such as a sole proprietorship, partnership, corporation, or LLC. Then, register your business with the California Secretary of State to make it official. Apply for a sales tax permit with the California Department of Tax and Fee Administration CDTFA. This permit allows you to buy and sell products wholesale within California without paying sales tax on purchases. You'll need a physical location for your wholesale business even if you don't plan to have a retail storefront. The location must meet zoning requirements and you may need a local business license. Depending on the type of products you plan to sell, you may need additional licenses or permits. For example, selling alcohol, tobacco, or other regulated items requires specific permits in California. Some wholesale businesses, especially those selling motor vehicles or other regulated goods, require a surety bond. The bond amount varies based on the type of license and products. Apply for an EIN from the IRS if your business structure or plans to hire employees require it. This number is essential for tax and payroll purposes. Submit the wholesale license application with all required documents and fees to the appropriate California agency. The exact fees vary based on your business type and the products you sell. Once approved, you'll receive your wholesale license, allowing you to legally purchase and distribute products at wholesale prices in California. That's all for the video.